Hi, this is Mike with Thrive, and welcome to your February report. Just as we have done in the past, Flay, we put together several key metrics that comprises of our monthly, and we also look how we're doing in terms of year over year as well. Jumping right in, our first key metric is our top 5 keywords. Again, these are the top keywords that are rendering positions 1 through 5 on the first page of Google. We had a nice little bump from January, as you can see down here, from 173 to 181 for February. So not an all-time high, but very close looking back in the prior years that we've been tracking this. So just missed the all-time for outpacing 2021 from 191, but a good start to the year. As we can see already, a nice increase from back in looking back from this January, and also looking at prior years, 2020 and 2019 and 2018 respectively. So still maintaining the top end in terms of our page 1 exposure. Let's take a look at what some of those keywords are and some of the movement that just recently occurred. So here's our keywords. This is our AWR cloud report. As you can see, the keyword to the left, followed by the ranking position, the change in the last 30 days, and then the competition ratings, and then volume searches all the way to the right. It's a little cut off there, but just going through our non-branded keywords. No change with our branded themes. Those have remained solid for quite some time and has not changed. So we're all in top positions when anything is typed in terms of Winsystems. We did get a increase. Some of an older theme, the difference between fog and edge computing, moving up 1 position back to number 1. Industrial SBC design, that moving up 1 position to number 1. And I'm not sure, they don't really have the volume here, so we'll see. I would think that it's a 3-word keyword, if you will. So the volume is probably not going to be super high, but industrial SBC design, that should have some a little bit of volume behind it. I would expect. So keeping an eye on that one. But again, moving to the top portion of the page, and then going through here, SBC embedded, moving up 1 position to number 3. Com Express 10 staying steady at the 3 position. Or 3rd position, excuse me. And then looking through our industrial TSN switch, moving up 2 positions to number 3. A little bit of a downward movement there with EBX and dual Ethernet. Still maintaining the top portion of the results. And then embedded single board computer moving up 1 to 4. And then dual Ethernet SBC moving up 1 to position 4 again. And then our last, even though we keep an eye on this, power supplies and that type of stuff, we don't put an emphasis on that. But as you see, industrial automation SBC moving up 2 positions to number 5, and then industrial ARM computer moving up 2 positions to number 5. So some really positive movement into the upper portion of the page 1 search results. So we're anticipating, as you saw with the growth in the top 5 keyword positions in our data studio, we can anticipate this that to continue in terms of the volume that we had. So as these rank better, that's going to bring us more search volume. These are extremely relevant terms, so the propensity to convert would be there. Next key metric is total traffic. Total traffic is measured in sessions, and a session is when a visitor goes to the page and goes to more than one page And we measure that. That eliminates any bot traffic, if any at all, and really gives us an idea of what the real users are looking at in terms of the content and products. So February, we traced 9873. Again, not an all-time record as from 2021 back in February, but still outpacing 2020, 19, and 2018 respectively. So let's take a little deeper dive into those sessions, and then we can break out the segmentation of that, looking at specific channels. Okay, I've loaded our SEO progress report in this screen, looking month over month. I carved out New Year's and all that, so it is somewhat, fair, if you will. So I cut out the New Year's traffic and all that stuff, which really wasn't significant. So I kicked off January at the 4th. In any circumstance that we do this, we have gains across from all traffic to looking even at the organic traffic. So 40% all around compared month over month, from 7,000 sessions to 90, up from 7,000 sessions to 9873. Specifically, organic had a 5.54% increase month over month to 3049. And then breaking out, as you see, our social took a rocket ship to the moon with a 6,000% variation. And then again, our organic and direct, both channels experiencing an increase up month over month, and then also a nice increase in overall new users when looking at that breakout as well. So really quality, I would say, in terms of the traffic and the gains. Looking nothing strange here in terms of our pages. That's been pretty stable. The home page and then our Cloud Fog content blog page always jostle from back and forth from the top page. Then looking at our conversions, like I was mentioning in our meeting today, a 7% increase month over month. So that was really welcome to see. We did have a slight decrease in the overall rate, but when we see new sessions coming in, that typically takes a little bit longer for that to mature into a lead. So there's a great deal of we typically see the increases in the session, and then we see this following behind it. So, but I'll take the gains where I can get them, right? So, nice percentage increase over last month. And again, looking at the direct and organic channels and social together, some serious gains here across the board. So that was really welcomed and nice to see. And then quickly looking at our 3 key metrics report, again with our year over year in terms of the conversions and or qualified leads. And as you can see, really almost a tie for an all-time record there at 70. I do believe this is 70. Of course, it won't load, but an all-time tie for the all-time record in terms of conversions for the month of February. So, some things you can predict and forecast. I did not forecast that. I thought performance would be more towards the middle side, but again, outstanding to see a short month, an increase in leads, an increase in traffic, and an increase in engagement in terms of what the new users are looking at. So when they're all green, it's great. So we're gonna continue to work on our keywords for our comm module themes for as we go into March and April, and looking forward to getting some traffic from those themes as well. So we do have some movement in there, so I'll be updating that report as well, along with our blog traffic report. But that concludes our report for this month, Flay. Thank you for your attendance. We really appreciate it. I appreciate you as a client, and I know Thrive does as well. And I hope you have a great rest of your afternoon. Thanks.